Traders, it's Anthony here. I want to show you how easy it is to pass your prop firm challenge or build your account. Okay, have a look down here on the right. These are yesterday's and Monday and Tuesday's trades. So we made some great progress with these. Let me just show you how easy this is. This is how you pass your prop firm challenge. Every day I post these into Discord. This was an Aussie Cat idea back here, and the idea was just wait for the next buy signal and take the trade. It's as simple as that. Look, Aussie Cat set a bullish momentum sink for a buy opportunity. That's it. That was the idea. So let's go and have a look at that. You know, there it is here. Wait for the buy signal from this indicator here, momentum sink. Take the trade. I'm going to go through yesterday's trades and just show you. I mean, it's as easy as paint by numbers. If it's number 2, stick green in there. That's all you got to do, guys. Just exactly what I mentioned here. Look, I opened a recent challenge. This is a new one. Okay. This was just Monday and Tuesday's trading. This is a new challenge. Closed positions, and you can replicate exactly this. Go back. There's no positions open at the moment. You can trade here, and these trades automatically go onto my prop firm accounts. I've got others as well. This is just the new one that I've opened up, right? This is my master account. And I'll explain how to do this, how you can trade this account and then transfer this over to multiple prop firm accounts if you want. First up, we're just going to go through yesterday's signals. We're just looking for these sell signals. Look, the market's turned aggressively against us on Tuesday once again, but we caught these. And as I'm saying to everybody, close 50% at 1R or use these, see these dots? That's your exit. So you see my note, 50% closed, and stop loss was moved to here. That was my stop loss. So the 50% was secured. These are in the money when that stop loss is here. Euro Aussie, I'll show it to you quickly. That's all you got to do. Euro Aussie, here it is here. 20, okay, that was the trade, and then stop loss was moved. Slightly worse than break even, right? But the outcome is 20 minus 9. That was the in profit. In any case, guys, I'm doing videos on this, tutorials every single day so that you're completely up to speed. Look at these signals. And this is where, you know, you're going to be legit with your prop firm because you're trading these yourself. And my thing will be wait for the next sell signal on this indicator here and just take the trade. So there's your stop loss on the dots. 1R, take 50% and then trail it down with your stop loss and away you go. My stop loss, I moved to slightly better than break even, and it actually pulled back on that. Okay, made money. Euro, dollar. This is how easy it is. This was yesterday's. The thing was just take the next buy signal and close at 1R 50%. Then move your stop loss up until it's in the money. Simple as that. It's rinse and repeat. We entered this one. It was take the next sell signal. Stop loss was moved better than break even, and I ended up closing this one down here. I ended up shutting it down there. No, these are this week's trades. Monday was a bit tough. Markets went against us very quickly. But yesterday, everything was aligned. And we took these trades. 50% closed. Stop loss was actually moved to here on this one. Anyway, New Zealand Swiss, just go through. Look, all it is just, take the next green signal. Stop loss was 50% was secured. Stop loss was moved to here. New Zealand yen, 50% was closed and the stop loss was moved to break even. And then I actually ended up manually closing it there through the US session. Take a quick look. Closed, 50%, 1R. Same thing, guys. Let's just take the next buy signal. All right, so these are provided for you. Now, Telegram is going to get a lot more signals than Discord. And then gold. Let's just have a look. That was a nice one. I ended up closing it here. Here's what I want to show you. Now, look, you can just take these signals. You can copy them automatically without having to trade if you want on your own Forex account. There's a trade copy that's available. Or you can manually trade these as well. Do both, the trade copy and manually trade. Grow your own account. So they're going into Discord. Take the next buy signal, right? That's all you do. Daily mentorship videos will show you how everything is done. It's just really, really simple. So simple. In fact, you only need 2 indicators. One for the entry, one for the exit. Now, this is where it gets more interesting if you've got a bit of an entrepreneurial mind set. Let's go here. All right, I've got this page here, leverage for maximum gain, but we're going to show you this. Consider this. Now, people approach me, I've got $300. Can I grow that? Yes, you can, right? So let's just say you open an account, Forex, and you deposit $300. When you reach a 10% gain, you're going to make $30. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can invest that $300. For example, this is the fivers, their 100K boot camp, right? So you'll end up controlling a $100,000 account. First up, it's only $95 right there, $95 to open this. It's so small risk. And then get through the boot camp. I think there's a couple of challenges, right? See, when you pass those and you know and you're confident, right, that you can do it, for risking only $95, then you take up the funded account, which is $205, then to go to that next level where you get paid on your trades. So all up, you've invested $300 on this particular Fivers bootcamp. There's other prop firms out there, right? Take your pick. But here's the thing, control $100,000. I'm not sure, I think is it profit shares like 80%? Or maybe 90, usually is 80% on average. Okay. So their fee is 20. So what you're going to gain when you reach a 10% gain target, you're going to earn $8,000 on a $100,000 account. So for the $300 investment, at 10% gain, you can either earn $30 or you can earn, that should be less the 20%. It'll be 8,000. Okay. But this is where it gets interesting. Open 3 prop firm accounts. Once you gain 10%, okay, so your investment's a little bit more initially, but this is a $24,000 profit if they're paying you 80%. Okay, once you reach 10%. I mean, honestly, 10% gain in a month is actually doable. Go for 2 months if you want to be conservative. And of course, I mean, go to town. 48,000, 3 $200,000 accounts. So all you got to do is set it up like this. Open a Pepperstone demo account, Pepperstone C Trader, because you can trade that on TradingView. That's what I'm doing. And then that becomes the master account on Duplikium or Traders Connect. And then you attach your prop firm accounts to it. Add your prop firm accounts. And that will automatically copy the trades from your personal account to your prop accounts. And then that's fully evidenced. If they ask you to show proof that you're the original trader, well, you've got all that. These guys will allow you to do that. You've got to find a prop firm that will allow you to copy from a personal account to your prop account. Now, there's a couple of things in here that I need to change. I'll just make that edit right now. This is really important. When you open your prop firm account, use the same email address. Or if you already have a prop firm account and you're going to open a C-Trader demo, make sure that the email address is the same email address for the prop firm and your Pepperstone C-Trader demo. So the same email address with the Pepperstone C-Trader and the prop firm, then there's no question as to who the original trader is. Yeah, I mean, you can just go to Anthony FX and click on prop firms up the top here. I've actually updated this page with the information you need. Trade our strategy through here. That'll show you. Yeah, I mean, okay, that's the opportunity. I'll just quickly show you how easy to copy our Telegram signals. So, these don't go into Discord. And these can be used in a trade copy as well, like TS Copier or our Forex account management service. But you get real-time exact entry, stop loss, TP, etc. Again, follow the TP, close 50% at 1R. So that's how easy it is to copy our Telegram signals. There's way more in here than there are in Discord, right? So silver level membership is access to Discord. Gold level membership is access to Telegram. So this is an incredible opportunity, guys, to change your life. This will be going up. At the moment, it's discounted. You could lock it in today. Go to my website and, take it for a 7-day trial. And, the gold VIP's only $49.95 after your 7 days. That gives you access to Telegram. What my members are doing is they're covering that $49.95 on the first day of trading. So this is here for you if you recognize the opportunity. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.